Hi guys, it's me Joy. Welcome to a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to do glitter paste, your own very glitter paste. You saw those glitter paste at the store like Joanne or whatever craft stores that you find. Normally they range around like $4.99 to like $5 to buy a little jar. So it's a little expensive for me. So I'm gonna show you how to make your own. So what you're gonna need is a little 4-ounce mason jars that I got at Walmart, and they're airtight, so it covers up really good to keep it airtight. It doesn't matter what kind of container you get or anything, as long as that keeps it moist and stuff like that. And next you're gonna have some kind of pigment powder, kind of like meca powder that you use for epoxy. It doesn't matter. I know somewhere I read where you can get one of those Dollar Tree eyeshadows, loose powders. Yeah, you can use those to put it in there. I got a jar of glitter, and I'm also going to use distressed re-inkers, just to put a little drops in there. I'm not sure if you can use alcohol ink. I haven't tried that, so I don't know what the reaction it would make with the gel, glossy gel. I got this at Hobby Lobby. I got it when it was 50% off, so that's when again, if it's not on the 50% off, I guess you can use the 40% off coupon to get this at Hobby Lobby. You can also get this one at the craft store. It's a little bit more expensive, so if you have coupon for that as well, I would use it. I would suggest getting gloss gel because they dry clear, and it's a thick texture, like a medium, whatever. I wouldn't get matte because it's not clear. It was just dry, white, and matte finish. So gloss gel is better to get. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Oh, I want to show you a few examples what the glitter paste will do. So this is one of them. You can see the shiny and everything. This one I did with the re-inkers and meca powders, and I got that result. I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. There you go. This one I did it with brown glitter and just meca powder. I didn't do any ink or anything, so you can just play around which one you want to put in or not. And this was also with just meca powder, and it does really well with black paper, dark paper. So you can see the shiny and the glitter. This one, it's also with just meca powder. So this one's more glittery. You can add as much glitter as you want. Alright, let's get started. Okay, so I have a scrap piece of paper. I'm going to use that later. Go ahead and use our jar. I'm going to use a little butter, whatever. Stir there. And you can just make as much as you want. You can make just a little bit, or you can make a lot. It doesn't matter. Put some in here. It's a very messy project, but it's fun. Okay. That's enough for me. Close it up. Put that to the side. And this is how much I can put in. I don't know if you can see it. I really don't measure how much to put in. I just go ahead and just put it in. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put glitter. And this is my own preference on how much I want to put in, whatever. You can play around how much you want to put in, see if you like it or not, you know. Just go by what you think is better for you. So I like a lot of glitter because I want it to pop. Make sure you mix that up real good. Add a little bit more. Okay. Sorry for the loud voice, but I'm gonna bang it down. Okay, I'm gonna add the meca. I'm gonna put some gold in it. Again, you can use as much as you want. It doesn't have to be, you know, how I do it, whatever. You can put a little bit. And I like using a lot because I want to see how it does. So, careful how you think it. This goes everywhere. So I'm going to slowly stir this. You can see how it just gets everywhere. Ooh. You can see how it's turning gold already. I want to make it a little bit more yellowish, so I'm going to add a few drops of wheat inkers. Now, when you use wheat inkers, it doesn't matter which kind of ink you use. I would get wheat inkers that you use for stamps or anything. So I would use that. I'm sure you can use food dye, you know, to do that as well. I'm going to add a few drops. I don't know if you can see that. And then mix that up. Ah, that's more like it. More yellowy. And add a few more. That's better. Okay, now let's go ahead and try it on a piece of paper. Okay, try it on a piece of paper. Normally I would just use a stencil. If you don't have any stencil, that's okay. Go ahead and try and cut some out with your silhouette and whatever background you wanted to use, and just cut it out on a piece of cardstock, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and use some clouds that I cut out a while ago. I cut it out with my Cameo, and then with some plastic paper or whatever. And this is what I got, cut out some copies. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over And take your paste that you just made. You don't need a lot, just a little bit, you know, to go over the clouds. And just lightly take your time. You don't need to go over it, you know, fast or anything. Just take your time and just go over it. I really like how it's looking, so nice and yellow, goldy. Put some back. Don't really need a lot, though. Okay, look your stencil. And there you have it. Your very own glitter paste. It's kind of like embossing, like you're gonna use with your embossing powder, and you heat set it with your heat gun, and you get like a kind of like a 3D popping off the paper. So that's how you do it. Pretty fun. You can use this on anything. You don't have to use it just on paper, whatever project that you're doing. And it dries about maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So it's pretty fast. So go ahead and close it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And I hope it helped. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy crafting!